Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Warrior cordless power cutter. It's basically like some power scissors. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out this channel, buy more tools, make more tool videos like this. Please remember, hit the like button and subscribe, hit the bell icon so we can buy more tools. Unfortunately, that's the way YouTube runs their platform. So alright, let's go ahead and get started. We have Cut Anything Warrior. This is the new Warrior cordless power cutter. It's a 4-volt lithium ion, dependable, long lasting, 1.5 amp hour lithium ion battery. So this is a lithium ion battery. It is chargeable by this. This is the charger. Extra blades included. You got a leather packaging, foam, paper. So pretty much anything that's smaller than a quarter of an inch. This is quick cuts, no spill cuts, precise cuts with clean edges. 4-volt lithium battery, ion battery. It says proof maximum runtime and holds its charge over for several months. Heavy duty self-sharpening blade, cuts plastic, leather, carpeting, cardboard, paper, and more. See, this is why you need this, because you gotta use a knife and it's not really that safe, especially for the family, you know, for kids or the wife. Sounds like I need to sharpen this blade. Let's see if we can take it apart. And I'm wearing gloves because I just bought this at the store and I just don't want to get it, you know, if there's anything not clean with it. So anything not clean, so that's why I'm wearing gloves. Alright. So then again, this is one of the items you might want to need, a tool like this, because it's kind of difficult to bring apart. So this is the charger. So if we got anything more in there, you got some instructions, and then you got an extra blade. That's it. Alright, so looking at the packaging, we do have an extra blade. As you guys see there, it does come with a little bit of oil just to keep it well lubricated, I guess, to prevent rust. And then we have, put this aside, we have some instructions, so real basic instructions here. I'm not gonna go over, we got a part list, I guess. I'm not gonna go over all of it. So we'll set this aside over here, blade over here, and then we have a power cord, just the plain old power cord. You know what, I would like to see this pretty much with the standard cell phone charger. That would have been a nice feature to have on this device, because pretty much all devices go through that, you know, through that standard. Something like this would have been nice, you know, something like that. The safety trigger, you guys see it, it moves. So this is the safety trigger. I'm pretty sure. So as long as you keep this pressed like this, it'll stay on. Once you let it go, you can it turns off basically. And as you guys just see, that's the spinning blade. That's the channel where it's supposed to go in, the product, and that's the blade, I guess, it goes through it. It is a self-sharpening according to this, maybe through this metal contact that it has right there. It does have a metal contact there on that part, you guys see there. So that might be with a self sharpening. Alright, we got some numbers here at the bottom. We got Warrior power cutter 360 RPM, 5.55 WH, contains 4.4 volts, 1.5 amp hour ion battery. To reduce risk of injury, user must read instructions. Calabasas, California. You got item number 56192. Alright, let's get it started. Let's see how well this cuts. Well, basically this feels like plastic. This feels like rubber. This part on the back, soft rubber. Same thing with this. This is soft rubber. This is plastic, the orange piece. So all this is rubber on the middle, and this part's rubber too. This plastic button there, it's labeled on. So if you press it, nothing happens. You have to press the bottom part too. So this is for safety issues, I guess. And it does have some hook here on the back, so you can maybe hang it or put a small chain or something like that, so nobody will take it. All right, let's get started with the demonstration here. And we're gonna run this straight off of the. We're not gonna charge this. I'm not gonna charge it. So I'm just gonna run it straight off of the charge that it came with. So I'm not gonna do a lot of cutting. I'm just gonna do some medium cutting. Here you want to open this item. Yeah, I think we need some charging on this thing. We just had this in the charger for a few minutes. So let's go ahead and try it out. See how well this works. Let's start where we left off. Seems like we got the battery, maybe it's still a little low, but you guys see how easy that seems. Let's cut on the side here where we cut last time to open this package. It's kind of getting. Alright. And it's double plastic where we're cutting through. We're cutting through both sides. So. Seems like we need to charge this a little bit more. It's already you can tell it's bogging down. Then again, I only put this in the charger like 15 minutes. Seems like it's getting stuck here, but it's working pretty good. It's pretty much effortless cutting, basically. We got the Makita. We'll be doing some packaging. Alright, so pretty simple. Alright, let's cut the other side. Alright, you guys can see how effortless that is. I have an Amazon box here. So let's cut this into pieces. This is probably what we're gonna need this tool the most, is the cutting these boxes. No problem. See if we can. I'm gonna fold this box in the middle, and we're gonna try to cut a double cut here. No problem. So double cardboard here, you guys could see. And this is pretty much what I bought this tool for cardboard. Because you know, when you buy TVs, you buy a product, you buy a drill and whatnot, you get a big box, and it's you know, it's challenging to do this, you know, to do that and cut it with the knife. With this, all you have to do is just this. That's how much effort you have to put into this, which is nothing basically. Let's try to do triple, see if it'll do it. Maybe triple, it'll be a little too much for it, but let's try it out. It's getting stuck on the back. Yeah, it's kind of too much because it's too thick. As you guys could see how thick that is. So I would say double is double's pretty much gonna be your standard, like for the bigger cardboard like boxes. Like if you buy a TV or a compressor or something like that, it's gonna be that pretty much that thick. So alright, we got another box. So this would be an example of something you would buy. You want to tear it up. This is a blender that we just bought. So we're just gonna no problem. Put this on double cardboard, so we're just gonna try and cut it like that. Alright, you guys know how hard it is to package a dog food sack or when you buy it at the store. So let's try and see if it'll cut it. Very easy to cut. Alright, we got an Amazon package here. This is what we get often because most of us buy it from Amazon. So let's try this out. Pretty easy. I gotta say, overall this thing's pretty well made. It does do what it says. Like I said, it's a little warm here on the motor part. That's it though. No, nothing major. Not that much warm. It's just a little warm. You can tell that the blade has a lot of life in it. That's the way I guess it sharpens by itself. It looks like it's really easy to change the blade. All you have to do is get a screwdriver and unscrew that. I gotta say, it's well worth it. It's gonna make life a lot easier. Wife that's gonna be cutting stuff, maybe cardboard or something like that. Recycling. This is definitely going to help the family out, not you know, getting stressed by cutting a thick piece of cardboard or plastic. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, if you guys want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool reviews like this, we need more subscribers, more likes. Hit the bell icon so you can get all the notifications, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.